Hi everyone, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study about watermark. What is the watermark and how it works we will learn in this video. First of all, for this we will open MS Word, and in page layout menu of MS Word under page background tab is watermark. So how it works for this, first of all I took this blank document. I will go to here, and from here I can select any one of these commands like this. So a watermark will be shown on the page. If I put some text in this page like this, we can look here, this watermark will be visible behind text like this. Now there are various commands or various variations of this topic. Means there are various customization that we can do. So we will click on custom watermark to customize it. If we click it on it, no watermark, apply, watermark will be deleted. If we click on picture watermark, then we have to select a picture. For this we will click on select picture. We'll select an image from my computer and we'll say apply. We can look here, this is the picture watermark. If we want to make some changes in this picture watermark, for this again we'll go to custom watermark. There are options that we can apply, like wash out. If this option is unchecked, this picture will be more dark, or if it is on, picture will be dull. Next is, if you want to maintain its size, we can maintain, like if I say picture size should be 500%, we can look here, this is the 500 size of this picture. If we say auto, then its size will be automatically adjusted according to its actual size. If we say 200%, size will be 200%. And we can write ourselves also, like I say 125%. Like this we can put custom size also. So these are the variations that we can do with the help of picture watermark. Now if we want to apply text watermark, we will click on it and say apply. It is a text watermark. We can look here. If we want to change this text, for this we will click on custom watermark, and here we will write text according to our choice, like I write welcome or programming era. Or computer skills. I like this. We can look here, computer skills. Now we can do some customization over here also, like if I want to change its color, we'll click on this, apply, color is changed. If we say semi-transparent off, it will be darker. If we say horizontal, it will become horizontal, or in case of diagonal, it will become diagonal. If we say its size should be 36 point, it is 36 point. If we say size should be 144 point, it is 144 point. And if we say size should be auto, in that case it will be automatically adjusted text size. If we want to change its font color, font style, we can change font style also, like this. And if we want to change its language will be changed. But on again English, text will not come back. We have to write that text again. So like this, these are the various customization that we can do with the help of on watermark. If we want to remove this watermark, simply we will click on remove watermark, and watermark will be deleted. So this is the command by the help of which we can apply watermark in a text document or in a Word file. Sorry, in a Word file. I hope this video will be helpful for you and will be more understandable to you. If it is helpful for you, you can like this video and can share this video and can subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. If anything you want to ask related to this topic, you can ask through the comment. Thanks for watching.